What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video with my friend Rex over here. What's up, dude? And we are about to climb, or actually about to descent to a amazing waterfall in Bali called TungTung. I'm sure I pronounced it incorrectly, but it's been a crazy time in Bali. The scenery is so beautiful. If you've ever been here, you know what I mean. But anyways, guys, we're about to go down. If it's your first time here, make sure you click the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Peace. All right, so apparently it's like close to 550 steps to get to the bottom of this waterfall. But what's really cool about it, besides the photos, besides how large it is, 165 feet, there's also a swimming pool down there. Like, you swim inside the water, not an actual swimming pool, guys. And I hear the waterfall, but I don't see it. So let's see how long this hike takes. Let's see how long this hike takes. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the chicken wings and pasta like you used to. All right, so I hear the waterfall. I see the waterfall. I've been chasing this waterfall, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. So let's see. It looks like it's pretty gorgeous. It looks pretty big. It looks pretty epic. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. All right, guys, that wasn't even the main waterfall. This is the waterfall. Definitely worth the hike. Wow. All right, you got to cross this bridge. Now it's sketchy to get over there, right? Look at this, man. This thing is gigantic. I got water stains. I mean, wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, we're going all the way in. Look at this thing. Guys, jump from the top of that. Let me know in the comments below. Wow. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. This was short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed the the waterfall, man. If you are in Bali, make sure you check this thing out. It's about an hour and a half motor ride from Ubud. I'll see y'all next time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Boom! If you like what you see, if you like going on adventures like this, remember, live, laugh, travel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.